Hey guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off the file protection in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the privacy. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in privacy, okay, you can see the privacy protection. Okay guys, here in privacy protection, you can see the file protection. Okay, you'll have to do is click file protection. And okay guys, now you can see the alert when deleting photo files. Okay, on the right side, you can see the switch button. Okay, you'll have to do is enable this, and if this enable, okay, you will be alerted if a third-party app try to delete image from the camera, screenshot, WeChat, or QQ album. And okay guys, that's it. And if this is turned off, okay, the file protection is off. And okay guys, I decide to enable this or turn on the file protection of my Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.